Log in to COMET admin using your login details. You will require either the club lineup manager or club referent user role. You can view your user permissions by clicking your name at the top right and hovering over your profile. To add a digital team line, either select the fixture from the My Next Matches tab or search for the competition and find the match from there. Once in the match, with all the core details of the fixture, click on your team name. Then select Edit. Firstly, add your team kits. Next, add your team officials by selecting the arrow next to the match roles. The team manager role is the mandatory role required to confirm a team line. But be aware your competition might have other mandatory roles which you will need to add. To add a match role which is not automatically populated, click Add. Then choose from the list of the roles that you wish to add. Followed by selecting the person from within your club which has a registration that allows you to select them for this match role. Once you've added this individual, select Save. To choose a person for the role, they will require a confirmed registration with a registration type that is similar to the role that you wish to add them to. As an example there, to add a first aider, the person will require a first aider registration within the club. For roles such as a coach, head coach or team manager, these are more flexible with the required registration types. And as an example, a team manager may also just have a head coach registration. After adding your team officials, move down to the players section and select Load Available Players. You can add the shirt number of the player in the left hand side here. And continue this process for all the players that you are wishing to add to your team line. Then you will need to click the box depending on whether they are starting, a substitute, a goalkeeper or a captain. The requirements to tick these boxes and add shirt numbers will vary depending on the competition setup. After ticking all the boxes, select Save and click the arrow in the Available Players section, and this will move the players that we just ticked onto our digital team line. Whilst in this saved status, we can make any changes we need to. To remove a player that we've added by accident, click the remove icon next to a player's name. This will put the player back into the available players section, and from here we can complete the same process that we just did to add anyone back into a lineup. Once finally happy, you can go to Edit at the top and select Save as Confirmed. Once confirmed, you are no longer able to edit the team line, but if you need to make any changes, you can contact the referee for this match and they will be able to edit the team line before or after the match. Once both you and the opposition have confirmed the team line, an email will be sent out with a PDF printable copy of the team line to both teams and the match officials. But you can also print this off by returning back to the match, clicking Options and selecting the Start List.